Hello, how are you? Thank you for watching this. I am going to be telling you guys about what is going to be in episode 7 of the Figure Side Hustles Docuseries. Hopefully you know about this now. I've been banging on about it for ages. So it's a docuseries, 9 episodes that will be coming your way and my way and everybody's way who gets their free pass. To get your free pass, just tap on the link below. Plus, if you tap on that link, you will be getting another freebie. What is that freebie? Well, you can just click on it now. I'd like you to watch this ideally. It's good for the algorithms. But if you stay, I'm going to be revealing that freebie, what it is. It's great. You can start earning money straight away. It's a secret little side hustle, and I will reveal that at the end. So hopefully stay to the end to learn what that is. So what will be in episode 7? There'll be the 6-figure e-farming, real estate riches, and income from Amazon. First up is Igor Kheifets. He's going to be speaking about the 6-figure e-farming. What is e-farming? I don't know what it is, so I'm intrigued to find out from Igor. He's going to be telling us about why businesses will gladly pay big money to e-farmers. How Igor used this fact to escape a low-wage job working with toxic waste and went on to make over $10,000 a month before he quit his job and never looked back. How you can create as many e-farms as you want and set them up to work automatically and make you money, more money and more money every month. And don't panic, it has nothing to do with crypto or Bitcoin, although I like that and have earned quite a lot of money from it, but I know a lot of people are a bit skeptical about Bitcoin. So this has nothing to do with that. And he'll tell us 3 simple steps so that you guys can start your e-farming that continues to grow and doesn't depend on how many hours you work. Great. By tapping into done-for-you income streams, so you don't need your own product or service. Then we've got Robert G. Allen, and he will be teaching us about real estate riches, how to get paid big chunks of cash to get started as a real estate investor, even if you have no money, no assets, and nothing to offer other than the desire to get into the game. He's going to be telling us this fascinating story of when the LA Times challenged Robert to go to a new city with only $100 and close a real estate deal with no money down in less than 72 hours. And exactly how he won the challenge. He's then going to be telling us the 3 skills that you need to be a successful real estate investor and the #1 lie about making money and the 4 C's of funding deals. And these will all be broken down into simple English so anyone can understand them. Thank God for that. Before I get to the 3rd person, make sure if you do like this video, do tap on the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And you can even tap on the bell if you want to be notified for the next video, which will be tomorrow for my preview of episode 8. Next is Corinne Parkinson, and she will be teaching us about making money from Amazon. How anyone can start an Amazon business for a few $100s and grow that into massive cash flow. How to identify what you should and shouldn't sell and where to find any products at wholesale prices. She's going to show us one brain dead simple trick on how you can get people to buy your products over competitors. Hint, it cuts your work in half and makes you more money. And finally, how you can start selling items on Amazon using someone else's listing, complete with product photos, description, and instant product ratings. All that's done for you when you follow these easy steps and start collecting income. Now, those are the 3 entrepreneurs that will be on episode 7. Make sure you tune in. Tap on the link below and you will get your free pass. You'll also get a free guide that's called 3 AI side hustles that anyone can start. That means you can start it right now and start making money. So tap the link below and start getting your side hustle on the go. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you'll tune in tomorrow for my preview of episode 8. All right, take care. Have a great day.